verse in the Quran regarding spiders makes these scientists think that the Quran has made a mistake, and what happens next will absolutely shock you. A couple of years ago, research was convinced that spiders, and in particular the male spider, was in charge of building the spider home. Although scientists and researchers were confused at what the Quran has to say about this. In the chapter of the Quran, it states that the female spider is in charge and has the responsibility of building and making the spider webs. Some of these researchers mocked, insulted, and even laughed at this verse of the Quran, claiming that this totally contradicts science and is an outright fault in this book. But in reality, this was only a turning point to one of the greatest discoveries in the history of scientific research. As it turns out, and as you can see in these papers right in front of you, it became apparent that these researchers were wrong. The Quran was actually correct, and the female spider, not the male one, is actually in charge of building the spider home. And this, ladies and gentlemen, was a statement revealed more than 1400 years ago, before science, research, and all of these discoveries came to be. Indeed, it was true when Allah the Almighty, the King of all kings, said in the Quran, Inna Allah ya'lamu ghayba as-samawati wal-ard, Wallahu basirun bima ta'malun. Surely Allah knows the unseen of the heavens and earth, and Allah is all seeing of what you do.